looking at? So cheeky. Standing.
Oh, you need your my first numbers. My first numbers. Number 1. Number 1. 1 yellow sand. Number 2. Little feet, 2 shoes. Time for new shoes. How many new shoes? 2 new red shoes. Number 3. This is number 3. 3 birthday candle. You're 3 today. Ready? Blow them up. Hep hep hooray! Number 4. Number 4. 4 pretty flowers lined up in a row. Purple, pink, and blue. Look at how they grow. Number 5. Number 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast up to the moon. 5 little astronauts. Hope they'll come home soon. Yay! Number 6. Number 6. Busy Buzzy dancing in between the shower.
Stop that, mommy.
6 fuzzy bumblebees in among the flower. Number 7. Number 7. What's in a rainbow? Do you really know? 7 bright colors. Oh, there we go.
How funny. Huh?
Number
so funny with your hat.
8. Number 8. 8 delicious cupcakes. Yummy, tasty treats. Can I have a pink one? Which one will you eat? Number 9. This is number 9. 9 pretty little birds. Red, black, and spotty. Counting all those little spots is driving me quite nutty. Lastly, number 10. Number 10. 10 slimy wriggly worms. Chasey, fat and long. Spotty, stripy, thin, and short. Slithering along. The end. It's time to finish your ABC. Your first colors, your first animals, and your first number. Yay! Good job, Kobe. Good job.